As a pregnant woman, you always wonder about what your baby would be doing inside the womb. No matter how much body pain and vomiting you are having, all your attention is on the baby inside you. Despite having many difficulties, fear, and anxiety during the pregnancy, the joy of feeling a baby inside you can't be expressed in words. In this video, we will discuss what a baby does in the 9 months of the pregnancy in the womb. Watch the video and smile for your baby. Your baby recognizes the taste and flavors. Whatever you eat, your baby also tastes it. So whatever you eat, sweet or sour, gets mixed in your blood. The baby sucks the amniotic fluid that also becomes sweet or sour. You must have felt from the second trimester of pregnancy that the baby moves more after you eat something sweet, because the amniotic fluid taste is also sweet. The baby loves to suck sweet flavor more than sour or bitter flavor foods. Next is babies open their eyes inside the womb. Babies open their eyes inside the womb after 23 weeks of pregnancy. In the womb, though, the baby only sees darkness, but you must notice that your baby reacts to bright lights or flashlights by kicking you. Next is babies can hear inside the womb. From the second trimester of pregnancy, babies respond to outside sounds. You must have noticed that babies kick on fast music. Babies can easily hear mother's heartbeat, breathing, burping, and mother's voice clearly, and slowly starts to recognize their mother's voice. So this is a good time to make bonding with your baby. You can talk to your baby by holding hands on your belly. Next is the baby also gets hiccups in the womb. You must have noticed the baby's rhythmic movements in the womb. This means that the baby is having hiccups which continues for a while. The baby hiccups in the womb are normal and helpful in the growth and development of the baby. Next is babies also do thumb sucking in the womb. You can also see your baby sucking thumb in an ultrasound scan, and even after the baby is born, they put their hands in the mouth and suck their fingers and thumbs out of their womb habit. Next is babies stay asleep most of the time in the womb. As the delivery time approaches, the baby's sleep decreases slightly. If earlier the babies used to sleep for 22 hours a day, they still sleep for 20 hours daily. Next is babies cry in the womb. Babies have also been seen crying several times in ultrasound scans. If the mother takes more stress or the mother cries more, then the same emotions go to the baby and babies also cry. Babies learn to cry inside the womb, and that is why they start crying immediately after the birth. So, having known what your baby does inside your womb, you must be feeling closer to your baby. Have a smile on your face for you and your baby. Enjoy these wonderful moments and have a happy and healthy pregnancy.